You don't want my pork pity?
No,
Right.
it's chicken pity.
It's good.
Okay.
It's good. Wait, we'll be romantic.
Be type.
Sonia, you ready for the question of the day? We'll call it the question of the morning. Yeah? You think dogs can lose their voice?
Yes.
Because I'm pretty impressed. Some of them can bark and bark and bark and bark. No problem. Vocal cords still going. Ah. Okay. Okay, according to spiritdogtraining.com, you should not put your dog in any situation in which it has the need to bark all day because it can agitate its throat, and it is possible for a dog to lose its voice. I don't know. Some dogs around here I'm thoroughly impressed with. They just keep going and going. They're like
last night.
No, I'm talking this morning, dude. Like, you don't hear... Like, that's the point. Like, you tend to tune out the dogs. Like, you don't even actually hear them. It's like common background noise. Right, Dave? Right.
Oh. My God. Baby, don't cry. One more time. Yeah. Baby, don't cry. Whoa. No, baby, don't. I'll be here at your rescue. Don't worry.
You're welcome.
$150.
$150. Yeah, well, times were changed. Now times are expensive.
But we come back home from Richmond School sometimes through the train track.
From Richmond Tech, you walked?
Yeah.
So why isn't Dave walking?
No, the days are done and train track closed. Train track bush up.
Oh.
No train weren't through there anymore.
Me see one train. We don't know. Issue. It crashed.
Drop off by line.
So we're having a chat this morning about the schools and being like how much money is actually, it's like an ongoing fluid debate feels like every single morning, but you know, once a week we like to dabble and figure out how much things actually cost. So right now we're giving Junior 500 Jamaican because it takes him 100 to get there, 100 to get back. He's on the Path Lunch program, and so he gets $300 for snack. Simple, smooth, sweet. Then there's the other two. That one, Dave, and Craig. Yeah. Now they have to travel a bit further, or farther, depending upon how you like to pronounce it. And so, knowing it costs Dave 100 to get to Highgate, 100 to get to school, 100 to get back to Highgate, 100 to get home, that's 400. He's on the Path program for lunch, but we're trying to figure out, yeah, what is that middle ground where he can buy a snack, he can buy a drinks, he can buy a lunch, because lunches don't come with drinks around here, and return home safely in one piece.
When I used to go to school,
I don't know.
I used to get drinks. When me I got drinks, because they had small cups, but some of us
They used to give you drinks with your lunch?
Yes.
Man.
Those days when I used to go to school, I used to get
That
drinks.
are those days.
Those days.
Days.
When I was your age.
Difference.
This, yes.
I'm
Because
just
the boys are claiming they need $1,000. $1,000.
Do you school there for a year of school? And
No, my school is further, man.
No.
Well, I think Dave's is closer, but it takes longer to get there because the road's worse.
Yeah.
That's my theory. Either way, both of them, transportation's what, $400?
No. Team of 5 has gone team of 115 P.
Okay, so how much money do they need for snacks and drinks and lollygagging? How much does lollygagging cost?
When I get Craig 1,200 and see
Ooh. $1,200.
Welcome to Craig.
Whose side are you on, Sonia?
My side.
That's true. Man, she wins a garden competition and suddenly she's all like,
No, the mama one side.
Queen Sonia strikes again. We'll figure it out. I don't know. How much do you give your kids for lunch or for the school day? Because it goes fast, man. Oh boy, you're talking yourself out of your decision. Okay, we'll figure it out. That's enough. Put it down. We don't need to. 7-Eleven, dude. Good morning, puppy. Hello. Good morning. Yo.
Again, this one.
The umbrella this time.
Oh.
I think it's bad enough. Sonia gets to walk next to P, and I look a little bit different than everybody else. Try looking with that purple umbrella. You know, you got some self-confidence when you're gonna float around a purple umbrella in the morning because it's hot, okay? Don't judge me. It is hot. That sun is not getting any colder. We're gonna get Junior to school now.
Hi, Junior.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah, it's like 8 o'clock. Perspiration Nation. That's what we're doing. Keeping the okra alive, watering it up, enjoying a little bit of peace and quiet. So Sonia and I are gonna head out again today. Another adventure without the children. One could get used to this. And we are gonna go check out a spot that's between where we live and Port Maria called Buccaneers. It's a little touristy, I'm not gonna lie, but one of our activities that we're supposed to do in our 61 checklist is act like a tourist. So we're gonna go and check out Buccaneers, give you guys a little behind the scenes tour of all things Buccaneers, see what they got to offer. And also, actually, it's kind of a research trip because on their website it says that they offer free movie nights on Friday and Saturday night, like a movie on the lawn kind of establishment. And I'm not sure whether or not it's still going on or if it was something that they did and don't do anymore. So part of the reason why we're going is to not only get out and have a nice lunch together, but we're also going to do some research, and therefore if they do the movie on the lawn, we can go there with the kids on Saturday and make a night of it. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah. And we haven't made much mention of this guava tree we have in the front yard, but yeah, it happens because it just rains guavas sometimes. Actually, this hasn't really gone off too much last year, but it's going off this year, that's for sure. Guavas and guavas everywhere.
Since can't blow mine.
Yeah, it was inspired. Oh yeah, I'm going for the picker, dear. No. Oh, I thought you were gonna go for the stick. I was like, no, we're doing this the old-fashioned way. Hold on. All right, would you like the honors? Or would you like me to do it? Honey? Yes. I'll take that as a yes. All right, show them what you're made of. Oh, honey, I'm not an expert, but it's supposed to go in the basket.
This is different from going in the basket, man.
Nice, you did great. We're gonna try one more. Over here, straight ahead. I can see it.
Just a little tiny thing.
Sure. All right, sun has beat me. You did great, dear. We got a cherry. I gotta work on eating these things. They're good. Good job, dear. That was fun. Yeah, I'm thinking, oh, I'm just gonna grab a cold shower because there's no water heater, and you realize your water's in the sun the whole time and you don't get a cold shower. But speaking of hot, peppers are bouncing back pretty well. We gave them some fertilizer 2020 yesterday. Get my spritz the day before that, and yeah, I know. Coming back to life. All those little leaves. We're gonna come back with a vengeance. All these flowers, all these leaves. Yes. Okay, Tyler, calm down. You're talking to peppers. All right, we might have gave away a lot of peppers, but got a lot more coming. So, peppers. Woo. You know, every time you get in the car, you turn on the air conditioning, there's like this little moment of just like, I've made it. We've accomplished the dream. I didn't have AC for a long time. In fact, I can't remember before buying this vehicle the last time we had air conditioning. I mean, Hawaii was pretty moderately temperatured, even though, you know, the summer's obviously quite warm sometimes, but yeah, air conditioning was always considered a luxury. When I was growing up, the vehicles my parents had were always secondhand, and air conditioning was not guaranteed. In fact, when I went to college, I traveled back from... Are you done? Thank you. Traveled from Minnesota to Arizona. Drove down right after I graduated high school, and I distinctly remember the day, probably about a week after I got to Arizona, in the dead of the summer, good old 1998 Chevy Cavalier, which was only like, at the time, 5 years old or so. Yeah, the air conditioning went out. Stopped working. So yeah, every once in a while we have to just take a moment and embrace the warm sun and the cool breeze. If you have air conditioning where you're at and it's hot, enjoy it. And if you don't, I know what that's like too. Oh, there's something to say for the wind in your hair. And we might get out of here. We have a time limit because the grandson is coming home from school supposedly around 1:30, and it's already 11:30. Let's see what happens. So Sonia says we're going to Port Maria. Is that what Sonia says? What are we going to Port Maria for?
Just gonna find the option of BART or whatever.
Sonia's on the hunt, on the prowl, looking for a new shower configuration, can we say?
I need a simple shower now because that one that I got, everything in it broken up.
Yeah, not the best of quality, but the fun. It's not about like, oh, this is what I.
Too, man. I never know it was so high neither. Everything in there broke. I have to climb all the way up to go in that shower. Or in that tub. It's high and
we need to get one of those. She looked at them, not gonna lie. One of those older person where you like have to. It's a tub, but it has like a door that you. I'll keep my eyes out. Are we getting to that point already? All right, Port Maria. Yeah, Sonia's on a mission out here at the lumber yard. I don't know, it just seems very rustic. No? Too big?
Yeah, I'm going to look on something.
Oh, yes. She's going to go look on something. Sonia, we all know how this is going to end. Came for a shower, ended up with a something. Well, where to next?
Yeah, that's the one next year.
What?
Before the one by the seaside here.
Going to the next one. Where's it located? By the seaside, they say. I'm just gonna say, in my unbiased, objective opinion, as always, like, if you're gonna have a hardware store, like, cool, make your hardware store seaside, literally. You go to the beach and the hardware store in the same trip. Who knew? Right? All right, here we go. Well, hardware store with a view, but looks like it's going to be another town visit, dear. She seems disappointed. Dear. Welcome to Buccaneers.
Welcome to Buccaneers.
Buccaneers, they were the good guys.
I don't know. First I've been up here too anyway.
Was this here back in the day?
Mm-hmm.
This was here. Oh, these are hot. This was here back in Sonia time?
Before I leave the apartment, I know how long it's up here.
Was it here before you left?
Yes.
It was.
I never come up here before.
Well, I'm glad you got to come up here now. I'm gonna get a shot of my food real quick. That is some cheese on those cheesy fries. Sonia's got the quarter pork. Ooh, I'll trade you some cheesy fries for some sweet potato.
I
Really?
don't want no cheesy, nothing. Too much
I think
cheese.
that's my fork though. Did you get more than one? Oh.
Too much cheese is on that.
It's pretty
I
cheesy.
bet if I share me chicken for fry.
Let's not get carried away. All right.
So you want me if you take you cheesy fries and you can't share
I want
me
you
chicken?
to be happy, dear. They're good. So good news is the movie is showing. I think we're going to come back here with the boys on Saturday. Of course, you got to sample the food before you know, can you make sure it's not poisonous. The wasp likes you, man. I'm not gonna lie, that's some pretty fabulous cheesiness. You sure you don't want to try it? I worked out today, for the record. Not even one? Not even just a little? Try it. Here, we'll get all romantic. Try it. Ooh.
way. Trying to get used to it. We're getting out of the house. We're doing things without the children.
Board, thank you for bringing me out for lunch. And thank you for following me to Port Mahrez to get there. To look for the bath. And what else?
I don't think I followed you to Port Mahrez, so I think I drove you there.
Alright, so Joe. Thank you for driving me to Port Mahrez then.
You're welcome. We're calling this a day date lunch in a hurry because my grandson's going to be at the house and
Got to carry with me.
I've learned the expression, the Jamaican expression, from the yam and go away, yes? This is a pretty nice place. I like the rusticness of it. The prices of it are very reasonable. They even have like stuff for the kids will eat, like hot dogs and cheesy fries for the kid in you. And if you're extra special, they even have the Devon House ice cream.
If you are extra special.
If you're extra, yeah, I'll trade chicken for pork.
No, you're pretty.
You don't want my pork pity?
No,
Right.
you're chicken pretty.
It's good. It's good. Wait, we'll be romantic.
Really tired? That's not even, I don't even know what that is. You just drop the pills in the pan. Cut that out of here.
Oh, I can't. Sonia, I'm no expert in feeding people, but pretty sure you close your mouth once the food is in there.
It would never reach in there.
We need some more practice. We're gonna keep practicing the day dates.
But tell me, get this, you go in your mouth.
Go ahead. Wait, I'm gonna put my mouth. All right.
Watch, see?
I can do it.
Look.
You're not gonna do like the airplane or anything?
You want me
I'm
to?
ready. I'm
Alright.
ready. That was not cool. I got a cheesy fry and I know what to do with it, all right?
I know you can get with pumpkin, you know.
Do I actually get to eat it? Eat your pork.
No, alright,
No.
You
You hurt my feelings now.
Are you done with it?
I'm gonna eat my chicken because I know it's gonna end up in it. You're gonna
No, me not. They never not give me chicken without with it now. That's why chicken drop.
Here, ready. Isn't that funny when someone does? I'm gonna go here. Take the whole fork. You never know.
Just saying that?
We're working on that. This is worse than a trust fall. All right, food is good. We're gonna go.
Anyway, pork was good.
Yeah, the chicken was
Spicy.
good. That was the mild sauce, by the way. Yeah.
And even you put the hot sauce on me, I don't eat it. If that's in my sauce, I don't want to see that one.
Yeah, I thought about it. There was a moment where I was like, well. All right, Buccaneers. I think it's good. I like the
We
environment.
welcome private event and please something.
I like the ambiance. I think the kids are going to enjoy Saturday night. We shouldn't tell him though. We should surprise him. Yeah.
Oh, we are here anyway.
The children. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye. She's at lunch. All right, we got to get home because we got to beat the grandson. So, better time lapse since we get out of here. Yo, what's up, man? What's up? We literally just got home. Why are you sitting there, dude? We're going inside. Mommy's at work, dude. We're gonna hang out for a bit. Dave's okay. Okay. Just let it out, man. Okay. Made it home just in time. Yay. Come on, man. How was school?
Very good. Good.
Why was it good? You can't describe. Words cannot describe why school was good. Sweet. Hello, Dave. Dave. Just let him be, dude. He's had a rough afternoon of realization of life. How was school?
You mean a cut G?
Hmm?
I like your cut G.
I don't know what that means.
I like your cut.
What cut?
Melody.
Oh. Don't wake the baby, Dave. How's school? Yeah? Can't wait to see it.
The G.
That's two.
I like.
Alright, math.
Like me, see all the prime number and the stuff there.
Prime number and the stuff in.
Yeah.
Well, you got an excellent sticker. That's a good start.
Worky.
Even numbers, composite numbers, prime numbers, odd numbers. Number theories. What else? Homework. More terms. Look at you, vocabulary. Define the following. You are going to be vocabularied out. Next. Mahrez, you okay? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for helping.
Let's go.
Just when you thought it was safe to be safe. Hello. Oh boy. Andre.
You ready for the question of the day?
Yes, sir.
How was school today? Wait. How was school today? How was school today? Why was it good? What kind of maths? What kind of maths?
That's on.
Really? Did you bring your schoolwork for me to see? I did not see your schoolwork yesterday. Hello? Andre? I didn't see your schoolwork yesterday.
Yes.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
You brought it 2 days ago.
Huh?
You brought your schoolwork 2 days ago, but you didn't show me any schoolwork yesterday. Do you have any schoolwork today?
Not sure yesterday.
I haven't seen it yet. Do you have any homework? Andre, do you have any homework for today?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you eat for lunch?
Fried snack, rice, curry pork, egg, and vegetables.
More vegetables. Good job, Andre. Hello. How was school today? Did you have fun? Do you want to help Dave with his homework? Yeah? Alright, go help Dave. You don't want to help Dave? What do you want to do? You want to think about it for a little bit and let me know? Okay. Good talk. First days of school, man. They're a doozy. Gotta ease into it. Maybe tomorrow. Right, Andre, what do you want? $200. For what? To buy ice cream. So I'm explaining to Andre, I only give you $100 for doing your homework assignment. So if you do your homework assignment today for $100, which is tracing the word and writing the word and reading the word and measuring with the ruler centimeters, metric system, you'll get 100 today. And if you do 100 or an assignment tomorrow, you get 100 tomorrow. So you could save today's 100 and do tomorrow's assignment, and then tomorrow you'd have $200 to get ice cream. You don't understand. I can't give you more than 200 today. I can only give you 100 if you do this assignment. And if you save this 100 and you do tomorrow's 100, then you'll have $200 tomorrow to get ice cream. Here? You don't want to do it? You sure? Okay. No ice cream tomorrow. You sure?
Yeah.
You're not going to do it?
Yeah.
Well, then do it. You get 100 today for if you get this done.
But people wanted to win in the work, they get 200.
No, all the boys here get $100 when they do their homework. Ask Dave.
Gimme.
Gimme? Try again.
Gimme.
I don't gimme.
Gimme.
No.
Gimme.
Andre, ask nicely or I won't give it to you at all.
And then get you
Can you get it what?
that 200.
No. I will give you $100 if you do the assignment. Would you like it? That's a great story. Would you like the assignment? Yes or no? $100 assignment. Do you want to do the assignment for the $100? Hmm?
400.
All right, we'll keep working on it. Craig went to cadet training today, but he's home now. Hi, Craig. And he did work. Mahrez, I'm glad you're ready to talk, but you had your chance. Now
I'm ready.
Yes, I know. I'm editing some videos right now. Here, let's look at Craig's work. You ready? Look at how many stickies does he have. Ooh. Yay. Cool. Types of sentences. What else? Oh, and backside of the page. Ooh. Mahrez, a gold star. Yay. He got a gold star.
I pass mark.
Good. Well, it's types of sentences. Yeah. Cool. All right. Types of sentences. Yay. What else? He's also got maths.
Yeah.
Yay. Differences. Whoa. Hey, you need to calm down, sir. You got your own work to do, Andre. Ready? Ready? Maths. Yay. But he didn't do this assignment. He didn't do this question. Hey, Craig. How come we didn't do this one? Why didn't you do this one?
One session.
Huh?
One session.
I have no idea what you just said.
One session.
You're right, but you didn't do the last two problems.
Then I need to take time. So.
Craig, it's 4 math problems.
Yes, so now tell me look at time and do it.
No, dude, it's subtracting 2 numbers. How long could that possibly take? Bye, sir. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a good night.
Yeah.
Yep. Have a good night. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Okay. Oh. Wow, Junior. Wow. Really, Mahrez?
Mahrez, tell me how I go. Look at smile. Look at the picture. I'm going to put on the flash.
All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Mahrez, put on the flash. Funny phone and both smile. Mahrez, phone and take pictures. Smile.
Bye-bye.